Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the exact problem: chip, scratch, or peeling. Once done, clean the area thoroughly and let it dry. Dirt ruins adhesion. Lightly sand rough edges to feather the existing paint so the patch blends. If surface is gouged, fill with putty and smooth. Allow curing. Match paint. Use a spare can or take a chip to paint store for a formula. Make sure to work in good light so color matching is accurate. You now refine the surface. Sand the repaired spot until it transitions smoothly to surrounding paint. Clean dust thoroughly. Apply a thin primer to any exposed substrate. This improves adhesion and color opacity. Once primer dries, test the matched paint on an inconspicuous area so you can see wet versus dry color. Use a small brush or mini roller and apply thin, even coats. Let each coat dry fully before the next. This prevents lap marks and ensures uniform sheen. You finish by feathering the edges. Lightly brush outward from the patch so paint thins into the wall and becomes invisible. After final coat, allow full cure time, often 24-72 hours, before judging the result because color and sheen settle. If sheen differs, apply a matching top coat or glaze to even it out. If the patch remains visible after curing, sand, smooth, and repeat priming and thin coats. That fix usually resolves color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.